Good morning, everyone. Folks, we are here on the Carnival Vista. We're about to head onto Half Moon Cay or Key. Dawn, Jamie, you guys ready for today?
Yeah, ready.
It's a beach day.
Yes, ready.
Let's do this. Good morning, Half Moon Cay in the Bahamas. Look at that. Yeah, the open sea. Well, it is time to head to Half Moon Cay. Beach towels. It's all early in the morning, guys. We're like one of the first ones off. We figured it'd be the first ones off. That way we can have plenty of time to explore, and then we can always come back early, right? 7:42 a.m. We're gonna go grab a quick bite to eat at breakfast, and then should be time for us to head off then.
Yeah.
And I think everybody has the same idea. Head to breakfast. And it's a steamy one out here. Oh boy, I can see my first glimpses of Half Moon. I think that's where they're building the new pier over there. They're already starting to work on it. Yeah, we're gonna go to the buffet. We'll get that another morning.
Cinnamon rolls?
Oh, looks like Dawn's getting an omelet this morning. Good morning. Salmon Benedict. All right. And bacon. Just a little piece of bacon there. Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. And there's my breakfast, little bacon. Got the omelet. I wanted to try some sausage, ham, a couple of hash browns, some milk. So Dawn's got some bacon, some ham, an omelet, and some banana bread, right? Good morning, Jamie.
Good morning.
Oh boy, what do you got? You got
Sticky bun, yogurt.
eggs.
I probably won't eat it all, but
Yeah,
my eyes
well.
are bigger than.
Yeah, try a little bit of everything, right? And there it is, Half Moon Cay. I guess it is kind of like a half moon, a little cove. And I think that's where they're building that new dock. Got your beach towel?
Yep.
Oh wow, the towels do have a little,
Yeah.
it's a carnival on them.
It's a different color towel too, and they're soft. Really soft.
We're in zone 12, on our way to the gangway. Island paradise.
Oh, they got those little rower boats where the people get in the
Yeah.
little, I forgot what they're called.
Yeah. There goes a little tour of the island. And we are in the Bahamas. Ta-da! So we have to get back on board by 3:45 p.m. And we have made it. Look at that.
Thank you so much. Hello, guys. I took a photo, guys. Right here.
Oh my goodness! Look at this, a little fountain. Looks like they got some shopping here. Ah, little bar over there. Welcome to Pirates Cove. The palms are swaying. There's some coconuts up in that tree there. Yeah, little gift shops. London's 4,451 miles. Toronto is 1,334 miles. 8,645 to Tokyo. Rio, Sydney. 3,013 miles to Seattle. I got quite a few gift shops. Half Moon Cay Resort Store. White sandy beaches. And what's this? Oh, there's a little church. I want to take a peek inside the little church. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's a little church. It's probably where they have weddings and stuff. Yeah. Just a little church. The kids can be pirates over there, can't they?
I'm afraid of my
Dawn,
Oh, hi.
you're on the white sandy beaches.
Yeah. With the broken umbrella.
Yeah, this umbrella here, they gave it to us in a bag and they said, have with it. And I was like, what? And then
You had to lug it all
had to-
over here.
yeah.
I had to put all the sand. We had to set up our own
umbrella.
What was that?
and they charged us $30 for it. But I can't complain because it
You made it work.
all three of us are gonna fit under it, so that's
Thank
good.
goodness.
It's gonna work.
We were
for us.
worrying we were going to have to huddle around it.
And this guy over here, he's gonna say we were both griping about it. $30. We gotta put our own umbrella up, and
Just saying.
and that's our boat.
That's my boat.
That's my boat. What old Forrest to say? That's my boat.
That's my boat.
And our little piece of real estate. Got the ship in the background there. And I'm gonna do a little swimming. Dawn's already out there. She loves the swim.
Only trying to get used to it. It's a little bit cold at first.
A little bit cold.
Just a little bit cold. I'm just trying to get used to it.
There's Dawn. She's a fish.
She can float on her back. I can't.
There's me. Ooh, wow, yes. Oh, wow, the beach is amazing. It's just pure sand. What are you thinking?
If water feels good.
And you can see all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Feels good too.
Ooh-wee. Oh, yes. Hopefully Jaws don't come and get me. Paradise. Emerald waters.
It feels good, the water.
So clear.
Yeah. I want to go all the way out to the buoy thing, but glad the white thing is far enough for me. I'll teach you how to swim. You're not relaxing. You gotta relax. You gotta lean back and relax. Do it.
Oh, I got some in my eye. I got salt water in my eye.
Yeah, don't be splashing your eyes.
Lean back. You gotta relax and float. Here.
Okay, I'll relax. I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing.
No, I got you. Lean back, put your head down. You just gotta float. That's how I taught William. Boy, he was a challenge.
Don't take me out any deeper.
Ooh, feels so good on a hot day. Woo!
I'm enjoying the water.
Well, Don showed me how to float, so we'll see if I can try it again. She's like the queen of float, man.
And that was a swim. The Emma Louise, Cardiff, Wales. Is that Captain Morgan? Great big old pirate ship here. And there's my lunch. Got a little jerk chicken, slaw, some different types of salad, potato salad. And what did you get, Dawn?
Some tomatoes. I didn't know that was smoked. An apple strudel, brownie, and some tomatoes and chicken.
Look at these little guys. They're all over the island. It's got babies.
Mom's looking for food.
Oh, and the little babies are following.
I wonder if that's when we ate the chicken. Oh, you almost fell, tumbled.
Little guys. How was lunch?
It was okay.
It was okay. It wasn't like a lot, you know what I mean? It was okay. Lunch was okay.
You got it! Oh, big applause for him, you made it. And do it, oh, big applause for him.
It's an absolute beautiful beach, and there's a lot of folks on our ship. All of these people come off our ship today, so. So Dawn asked him for a ride, and he said, "Yeah, sure, I'll take you."
Wow.
I'm shocked. I'm shocked. You like, you know. So they have all these local folks here selling trinkets, T-shirts. It was a good day, just swimming. It was a lot of fun. But we're gonna head back on board. Whew, spent a good 2 hours just swimming. There's the Holland America symbol. Brings back memories of Alaska. Of course, this island, I think, originally was started by Holland America, or Hale.
It was a pretty good day. We swam around, had our lunch, and went back in the ocean.
So we made it back up to the room here, and there's a new little guy here. I think he's a pig. Bye-bye, Half Moon K. It was a pleasure. Dinner time.
Again.
These are like matching.
Oh no.
We're sisters-in-law. What do you expect?
And we're heading to dinner at Horizons Restaurant. Oh yeah, they brought the states, different cities out again. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? I see you. Yeah, we're doing good. 364.
Is that from you the other night, Zon?
No. Yeah, the other night, but you did too.
Oh, well, we're back in the dining room again, huh? And they brought out the butter and the bread. Look at that. 2 slices tonight. That is
To
good.
make up for the butter they forgot the other night.
Dawn's going on that. And we're sitting, there's the water right there. Beautiful views, right? Soup. You got the soup too?
Right.
Oh, you're fine, you're fine. The soup was amazing, but here is my side salad. You got bacon, hard-boiled eggs. Looks really good. Dawn got the same. I know this guy right here. Woo. I got the southern fried chicken, broccoli, got a little bit of
If you can make the reservation, we still have. And of course, all the big kids in the house, we have all the specialty restaurants.
Peppercorn steak with potatoes.
Well, and
Might be
now,
steak sauce, I'm not sure.
your dining room stuff, and then it's dancing time. Let's put the music. Here we go.
So here's my banana cream pie. Banana cream pie. What did you get, Dawn? Banana?
Green pie, same.
And then you got some
Butter pecan.
butter
I'll share it with
pecan.
you.
And then you get sherbet?
Orange sherbet, or sorbet, I think they call
Sorbet,
it.
yes, sorbet.
Orange sorbet. I like sorbet.
So what did you guys think of dinner?
It was good tonight.
It was good. We had a really nice family sitting next to us, so we couldn't really talk too much, but we talked to them a lot. And they had their little daughter was just amazing. And another beautiful day here in the Bahamas. The sun went behind some clouds, so this is all we're gonna get for a sunset. But it's been a great day here in the Bahamas. Yeah, no rain. Couldn't ask for more. Couldn't ask for more. And there's quite the line for tonight's show. You were able to get front row.
Yeah, that's a first.
I didn't think we were going to it with that line of folks that are trying to get in here. I didn't think so. Most of the seats in here are no good.
Yeah.
That's like the worst theater ever.
Time.
Call it a night. Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Fireballs.
Well, that was a crazy party night, wasn't it?
That flick was good. I didn't think I was going to be into it. I thought it was going to be
Fireball. It's almost midnight.
The flick was good, and that guy down there, he really whips up a crowd.
Oh, Dion?
Yeah.
Yeah, Dion's probably the
Is that
craziest.
His name is Dion?
Yeah, his name is Dion.
Dion Warwick.
No, his name is Dion. But anyways,
Dijon mustard.
no.
But
But
I'm wired.
but he's a great cruise
Yeah,
director.
he's pretty good.
Yeah. And we're gonna call it a night, but we had a great day. Half Moon Cay, we got sunburnt. You see Dawn around her back.
I'm gonna cry.
Yep, I did too. I got sunburnt. Trust me. Jamie got some sun too, as you could tell.
It hurts.
It was hot. It was crazy, but we got to swim. We swam for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Didn't feel like it.
Yeah, we got some good some good food, some good entertainment. Did some dancing. Dawn did the fireball. Fireball! Anyways, folks, we're going to call it a night. If you guys like these vlogs,
Give it a thumbs up.
also if you haven't, please subscribe so you'll miss these upcoming road trip adventures. We're on a cruise, and tomorrow we're heading to Nassau, Bahamas. We've been there, so I know we've done it.
We were supposed to go somewhere else.
We were supposed to. Well, yeah, we were. You're
We're
right.
on Old
We were
Gimpy.
on Old Gimpy,
I can't help it.
and we would have been in
Turks.
Grand Turk, but instead we're going to Nassau, and we've been there how many times, Dawn?
25 times?
20
no,
26.
2 or 3 times.
We've been. It feels
2
like that.
going on 3 maybe.
Yeah, and
Mine's going
but
on
this
2.
is Jamie's first time.
Yes, it is.
And the decor, oh yeah, we tore the room up pretty good. And the decor in the room is pretty cool.
I didn't tear up. These guys tore it up.
Well, I took a shower.
You're the one who got your
Stuff on the bed.
stuff on the
There's
bed.
like
And
no
there's
room.
beach towels.
How is that bed, by the
Beach
way?
towels.
It's very, very hard.
Yeah, it's not a good bed.
I'd be up there. That thing could come down.
My nose got sunburnt.
Yeah. Whew.
That's it, folks. We love you. We'll see you guys in the next video. Good night,
Bye,
everybody.